5% Honorable Sarah and his family, his lovely family is right here with us. We have Mr. Bajwaye, MON. We have Officer Emo. We also have Officer Oti. We have Prince Ogivie. We have Honorable Scott Ogbemudia, sporting jersey number 2. Former local government chairman of Poplar North East. We have Elema, jersey number 11. And of course, we have CY, and we have Fatai. We have goalkeeper Mula as well. For our friends of Panthers FC, we have Jolomi, jersey number 25. That should be the captain on the side. We have aspirant. Which of the aspirant now? Jersey number 33 is spotted. We have Johnson number 12. Number 13, I beg your pardon. President All-Stars was here to celebrate with Panthers FC. This jersey fine well. Maybe I will ask the Honorable Saro to give me one after this match. Honorable Saro jersey will fit me well. Okay. And that's the given by Captain Elema for the Panthers FC. Sakwe. We have CY Emo with the ball now, trying to locate to Prince Ogivie. Of course, the man from the right side of the defense for Panthers, Honorable Scott Ogbemudia. And the friends of Panthers trying to take over, but they've lost possession now. And that's Scott Ogbemudia into the 18 box, but not well connected there. And that's Aspirant. Aspirant looking for a number. Back to number 40 jersey there, Makalele. He has lost possession now to Captain Elema for, and that's Emo. Free kick has been awarded now to the friends of Panthers FC. I've been told the referee from Nigeria is not from Burkina Faso or Guinea-Bissau. Our play continue, and that's Makalele. And the number with the ball. Back to number. But that move has been controlled. Let's see why with the ball now. No Sakwe. And that's Ogbemudia. You could see what a move there to Officer Emo. Back to Ogbemudia. What a chance! That was almost stayed there, but good move there by Honorable Scott Ogbemudia from the right side of the defense. But it ended up good kick. And that's another one there from Emo, Officer Emo. And that's Makalele calling for the players to create the opening. What a build up here to Makalele, but then Osako takes over for Panthers. And that's the big man. Honorable Saro trying to locate Ogbemudia at the far right. But then Jolomi. That was a poor one. And Osako controls in the midfield to Prince Ogivie. Now to Ogbemudia, Scott Ogbemudia. Wow. What's a move there by the chairman? And they still with the ball now. Back to Prince Ogife. Officer Oti failed to get there, and Makalele takes over. And to number 12, and goalkeeper Mola in goal for Panthers FC. A chance here by and Prince Ogife now with the ball. It's the end of year match, and of course it will be followed by some entertainment for Panthers FC. Founded not quite up to a year now, and the club is looking well, looking good for future engagement as far as All-Stars football is concerned. But sometimes I choose to call them overage players. Norma looking for Jolomi, the captain on the side. To number 16, Shet. Is out of play. Johnson failed to control that. Throw into Panthers. Enoma to Jolomi. Jolomi to Aspirant. I wanted to confirm which of the party. But then I've just been told it's an independent party aspirant. And they are beating up now from the rear, talking about what's the play here by Makalele at number 12. A chance here. As Honorable Sarah trying to Honorable Sarah is a dependable defender. No nonsense. And that's Jolomi. But he lost possession now. And Osako takes over for Panthers. And that's Prince Ogife. Oh, I think that's just too far for Oti. He gets it. Busted the play. He into the 18 box. What a left footer there. But into the waiting hands of the goalkeeper for Panthers, Fred. Inoma to Jolomi as the captain. But that move has been stopped there now by Emo. Officer Emo to Sakwe. Lost possession now to Johnson. Free kick. Free kick and see what for Panthers, and what a beautiful goal there by Oti, but then will be ruled out by the center referee. Offside position of play. And that's Enoma. They've lost possession now. Prince Ogife. And Chairman has really improved with time. And Honorable Saro is trying to talk to his players. And that's Prince Ogidi. And Officer Oti looking for the captain, Elema, but goal kick. Goal kick to Panthers friends. And that's Jolomi. And ball there. Let's see what. And to Aspirant. And now back to Aspirant. And the number of the ball. Challenge there is Honorable Saro. A chance there. But the players now from Fatah.
That's why you ever left. I'm going to left here. Went by your left. This way. This way. Go by your left. You never your left.
And that's Officer Ebo. A chance here for Siwa. What a goal here. And that's a beautiful goal. Goal number 1 for Panthers. That was a far edge. He managed his left foot to the far end. And goal number 1 for Panthers FC. No goal to France. And Jolomi to Inoma. And Inoma drives in. A chance here. Trying to find his way to the box, but Honorable Saro. And free kick against Captain Jolomi. And Chudi is gonna jersey number 24 for the Friends. One taking there, but goalkeeper Mola has no problem. Osakwe. Osiri. Back to Osakwe. And Officer Emo. Back to Osakwe. Sorry, I beg your pardon. So Osiri. What an idea here. Okay. Osakwe. Looking for Fatah. And that's Prince Ogidi to Officer Oti.
Oh, and they come out, you not them.
Very cohesive play here by Panthers FC, and that's the big man. Honorable Saro back to Ogidi. If only the Super Eagles can be so cohesive later tonight against Cameroon. A chance here. And what? Oh! I thought Elema was going to bring that down. Across the bar there, goal kick to the Friends of Panthers FC. Yes, I talked about cohesion a while ago. Both sides have been cohesive in their play, and that's how it should be. Free kick again, this time to against Osakwe. Makalele.
When they see today, they can't wake up. I will not beat the pass.
Because you have to fuck Ashawo once. You say, if Ashawo will come back, you say yes, tell me come back, you say enjoy the phone. So,
and Fatai to goalkeeper Mula. Mula to Ebo. CY to Ebo. A chance for Elements. A 33-year-old making 2. And CY. Oh, what an idea. And goalkeeper Dozier for Friends of Panthers. And that's Fatai. Osaro. Back to Fatai. Fatai has 2 men on him, and Osaro had to step in there. And that's Honorable Osaro with the ball. Controlling here beautifully. And the pass now to Sirik. CY beg your pardon.
Osaro climb!
Back to CY. Oh, they tried to give it back to Osakwe.
Makalele, I don't know what you do. Makalele, I don't know what you do. Makalele, I don't know what you do. You better go score them. What is that?
As should be Isioma. They lost it to Sakwe and this Elema. But Aspira controls to Jolomi. And the troopers there into the waiting arms of good.
Wide down, Joloms! Wide down! Good pass!
And that's Makalele. Makalele, I don't know if he's putting on hooves or stockies. Makalele is putting on socks, not hooves. And that was a poor pass there by Noma. A chance here for Makalele.
It's okay, no matter.
And Osakwe to Prince Ogidi. And that's Siwa. To step officer elbow there. Goalkeeper Dozier has no problem. Looking for Aspira. And that's Isioma. Jolomi. Makalele. Good control here. And Isioma to the ball. A good defensive play there by Siwa. But danger not averted completely. Okay, Salo takes over now for Panthers. Looking for Sakwe. And the Falets. Sakwe controls very well to Inoma. The captain on the side, Jason number 11. A grander. goalkeeper Dozie has no problem to that. Free kick against Norgusaro.
As you enter yesterday, you never reach 10 minutes. So it's allowed.
That's Makalele. Grounded there, but Fatai and Norgusaro are there.
Saro, stop going back.
I pass it to Honorable Babudia. Babudia trying to look for Oti. And Jolomi.
Hey, referee.
That's Chinedu. Into the senior box, a chance here for Makalele. And who's waiting at the inside the box there? Nobody. And the Norman can strike with that football then.
How you doing? Jeremy, remove that from your waist.
I thought Jolomi would have gotten that opportunity, but then somebody ran through. There's going to be a goal kick for the ticket. And then Norman is here with the ball. And Chinedu there, but then good defensive work there by Oti. Odenja not batted here completely. Makalele with a chance here for the friends of Panthers FC. And it's over there. Oh, into the waiting hands of goalkeeper Mula. A goal for Panthers. And another one again there from Shubi. Goal kick. Here's the end of your match. And party for Panthers FC. A chance here, Elema. And Elema failed to convert that chance.
Hey!
And the first man there against Honorable Saro. As Jolomi brought down. And Jolomi went down there. And Prince Ogibia is going out. Another applause for him. Another applause for Prince Ogibia. He has done quite well in the first half of the end of the match. Thank you so much, Prince Ogibia. And with the boardroom, that's why MON is also the coach of Panthers FC. Any person will play a rough, a red card, the referee take note.
So you don't let me talk to
Continue playing now.
Continue playing now. You want to wait for
Free kick and Makalele. And it's a goal. What a goal there by Makalele. And it's 1-1. Gordon Baswa is going in now for Prince Ogibia. Well taken free kick there by Makalele. And goalkeeper Mula beat him to it. I've just been told the referees from Guinea-Bissau. Okay, Equatorial Guinea versus Guinea. And that's aspirant looking for Makalele. It's going to be a goal kick to Panthers FC. And Fatai with the ball now.
Don't say this woman intense, except family.
Osako.
Don't say that. This woman forget say Ogiame and Palace they get problem.
And the OT.
People don't fire this man.
A chance here.
They say
Was a poor goalkeeper there by Dozier. An aspirant takes over. Good pass to Shubi. A good one again now to the captain of the side. And back to Shubi. A big challenge there by Honorable Sarov. And Gordon Baswa, he wins that. Baswa to Emo. But it's aspirant looking for Chinidu Refalent, and it's out of play for a goal kick to Panthers FC. We've seen quality football here, displayed by both teams. And it's the end of year match and party as well for Panthers FC. They are in the class of the All-Stars here in Benin. And talking about the All-Stars, we have the Premier All-Stars, whose president is right here with us, Sati. We also have the Uwa All-Stars. What a pass there by Osako to Fatai. And the chance here. Gordon Baswa, MON. A chance for Panthers. And into the team box there. He's up there. And it's going to be a goal kick. I was telling you about the All-Stars here in Benin. We have the Premier All-Stars, whose president is right here with us, Osako. We have the Uwa All-Stars. We'll have the veteran, uphill veterans All-Stars, Takuba Hill. And we have the one at Dumez Road. And we have Panthers All-Stars now, they are a new entrant. And of course, the new one that joined last year, Ugbo Ostars, and that's Honorable Saro. Good defensive play there. Trying to create space. He's asking for space. And it's Sakwe for Fatah. Back to Sakwe. What a play here this evening by these two teams. But then the finishing has been poor. It's 1-1. Goalkeeper does it to our spirit. Jolobi to our spirit. A great shot there, and that's across the bar. It's going to be a goal kick to Panthers FC. Gordon Bazoy, MOA, and the pass now to Sakwe, and our heads up there, header put that one away to Captain Jolomi, and that's Makalele. Good defensive work there by Honorable Saro. And Sakwe. And Gordon Bazway, and he wins a corner for Panthers FC. I want to commend Mr. Sakwe, the President of Stars, Edo Stars. Should be the oldest here, and they're still playing strong. He played earlier today at the Kewa campus. And again, he's playing for another 80 minutes here this evening. And now straight to the waiting hands of goalkeeper Guzi. A chance here. And Honorable Mudia. Good defensive work. Referee place on. See why. To Gordon Bazway. And out of play.
He never beg up.
The friends.
That one like beg. That one like beg.
Okay, let us see. We'll call them the friends of Panthers FC or rest of the world. Let me take it to number 16, Jesse. A chance here for Elema and Emo, and as Oti, and as well taking the corner kick, or the referee says goal kick. And it's the end of the first half of this match. A round of applause for them. A round of applause for these overage players. They've done well this first half, it's not easy. Okay, it's one goal apiece. And they still have another 35 minutes to play for in the second half. And still one goal.
Best love. See, don't pay me. If everybody choose Man U, choose Liverpool. Our fan will come out. And if you let those Man U fans against Chelsea, Arsenal, anywhere you pass. For a year, I started with NND. I don't know if from NND, I go say, last time he goes, he only for 2 years. He always works. You understand me? Concord, no one rise, the moment I leave, Yawa Concord. Two of us come. I've been a fan of Nigeria band. So you see, that's it. No.
I'll see you for them.
A chance here for Panthers FC. A good defensive work there by Noma and their aspirant Makalele. And that's just number 22. For the ticket and clearance now for Siwa. Aspirant. To Johnson. Looking for Chinedu. Oh, what a miss there by number 22 shirt, Mr. Israel. Of course, quickly taking Gordon Bajo now with the ball for Panthers. Captain Elema has lost possession, but then the referee has spotted an infringement there. Free kick to Panthers. And going in, it's number 25 jersey. Going to replace the captain, Jolomi. So the captain Hambana has gone to Aspirant. The defensive play there by Honorable Sarah. Fatai. CY. CY to Osaro. He controls. And then back to Fatai. Gordon Bazwai to Honorable Gamudia. Back to Bazwai, but then the pass didn't go through to Oti. And goalkeeper Duzi. That's the Namdi. Namdi now with the ball. Go through two players. Back to Namdi, he watches the feet. Sends the long one now, trying to locate to Israel, the far right, but nobody to connect that. Goal kick to Panthers. Quickly take it to Honorable Saro and Officer Ebo, as Captain Elema, Gordon Bazwai. It's been kicked from behind. And the referee has given out a warning there to Johnson for that unsportsmanlike act there. The mandatory 10 yards is being demanded by Gordon Basway. Years back, he used to score free kicks like this, playing for Lendell Insurance, 3SC, Concord.
Stop playing now, stop playing. Let's stop playing.
That's why you get still with the ball. Along one there looking for CY at the far left. Scored the only goal so far for Panthers. What a chance there by OT. Makalele. To Aspirant. For the pass there back to Aspirant. Good defensive work there by Honorable Saro.
You will be chairman. You don't come from Abuja. Now your vice come there. So begin to watch match.
Corner kick to the Friends.
Which one be your side here?
And a beautiful goal there. What a goal there by number 13 Jesse Johnson. And he could do the backflip. I thought he's an over-age player. That was a beautiful goal there by number 13 Jesse Johnson for the Friends of Panthers FC. It's 2-1 here against Panthers FC.
The first thing on Monday, no, we are winning. We don't there for people, their name not there register. We are winning. When they push too much, so we push and 7 days back. We take the ticket. Just now.
A chance here for the Friends again.
They leave us, they go to 5 minutes.
And Gordon Basway.
Yeah, you want to prepare the leg, don't do it. You see this? No break.
All this over HKs today. Gordon Basway. MON. And that's a pushing from behind by Johnson. And the center referee has won the game. And Honorable Saro is going to the team box for a header. I can spot Lema, the captain on the side. Fatah is there, Usaro is there, and the high one, no heads up there.
No, it's for Cameroon, Nigeria, they play today. So in there for they
Goal kick. Or rather, throwing to Panthers. It's the end of year match for Panthers FC. And of course, it's also to begin the new year. The organizers should be commended for this. Grounded there by Siwa, but not good enough.
Get out here. If I tell you what happened, I'm waiting on first. If I tell you what happened, I'm not going to tell you.
And Makalele Johnson. Nobody to connect. Good kick
Let me talk with my phone
to Panthers.
By 7, 8 o'clock, I will give you the gist.
Exactly now with the ball with Elema. For time. OT. To Coach Paul and Bazwai. Looking for Fatai. Oh. And the referee have decided it's a corner kick for Panthers. A chance here for Friends of Panthers, Israel. Into the waiting hands of goalkeeper Mula. Good for Panthers.
Something in government. He said that since April, May, 9, 8, local government election. What they do? Local government election. He votes. They said vote and be voted for. He vote for Obaseki. He vote for Atiku. He vote for a council chairman. So where in name, where a particular voter's card, if we trace it, we just register. What I would say, no process. If they give a waiver, it results to litigation issue where individual can go to court is a constitutional matter. Yes, now. I want it. If Organo say you can bring somebody, why did they beat everybody since? Since 2 years ago, you told better man. Fight, so they fight this balance. Fight this year. So that's my own personal opinion. I know they do sentiment.
Johnson now to Makalele. A chance here for the Friends of Panthers FC. Good kick.
How are you? 12 minutes. They don't pray bad prayer. My question is, in every successor and predecessor, the predecessor always has some level of incentive to choose the successor. You can't drag that with the aim. If Oga has done well, nobody will contest in his party. Are you aware? Yes. You don't see what the man with the swearing today. What do you call it? Of this state. And today they're swearing their government. Don't see what he do. Not what the former contest because he still so not go to the same area. The people who contest for that party, SDP, they don't job for case. They say when they go court. There was a political party that produced you, that nobody knew you before. Do you get? Now you belong to another party. Now people receive you as really express. Now the people, they say that they have to say, you know, we're now they fight to put your siana for real. They want to bring you, fight her. They want to rescue you, you fight her. They will disgrace that man. Then you want to call his name. If you just talk and say, Obaseki candidate, so all these women, you're all candidate. It's not to say by say, you know, say you go bring person. Where do you want to do this thing? Promise. Now that's what, that's 16. 8% already. I'm not saying to spend the whole thing. The last day, 27. 28. No, the last day of the month. 28. 29. 29. Don't put it over 28. And APC at 17. PDP at 20. APC. No, too much more. We have our graphics, let me do. And I'm telling you, show money. Now you get the party. Now you make sure that Tinubu they will breathe from the group. So where you did, now person will be saying, no, they do things. See, you don't learn less now. Yes. If they consult Baba before you do something now. Yes. Unlike before, Baba said, bring the three of them. Odubu, Obie. Baba said, make me and you sit down more, choose one. Then Baba died again. He not here. He said that this one. He said that. Baba said, bring these people. This guy, me know at that time. My younger brother now for stock exchange. All of us know. Oh. The matter.
Free kick.
What I go talk for? Alright, you know what I mean? They happy because they chop the money.
See what?
I'm just too cool.
So we are looking for Fatai. It's going to be a corner kick.
Just national, not secret chop. And they open form, make the money back. 12 people getting government. I see what they're saying. This man don't reduce out to 4 before. I'm going to measure. This tall boy. So I guess I'm afraid of you now.
Makalele. And Sakwe wins that, and the whole team back to Sakwe. Free kick. Free kick to Panthers. Quickly take it. And Gordon Baza, it should be getting a box, but goalkeeper Dozie has no problem. For Panthers FC.
Marina, boss, here, we come and clean. You see what's more boy with 40-something years old, but I'm saying,
Corner kick to Panthers. Gordon Baza into the waiting hands of goalkeeper Dozie.
he won for Tinubu, he won for DVD, he won for himself.
What a pass there to Makalele. The chance there for Makalele. So aspirants, Norma. The chance there for the class Honorable Bermudia. Offside position of play.
That's why he beats a man, he got up twice. For a dose out, Oshobo le carry Tinubu name, join his name. He tell us, say, even though you don't vote for me, vote for Tinubu, for a donut. That boy then go carry Tinubu name, join his name. He say, even though you know me, make Tinubu name. But Sarah was not trying. They say I said a bad name. DVD not trying. DVD don't even win the unit. Sorry. Now they shoot.
Oti to Elema to Gordon Baza.
I tell you that.
What a grounder there by Australians Gordon Baza. 2-2. Game on.
Ishaman get up 1979. Professor Ambrose Ali. It was as a result of mistake. Then Okpewo and Agbasiu, two local governments. Do you understand me now? Two local governments. The whole of Benin State was 9 local government then. Okpewo, Agbasiu. Then Esako. I mean local government there, I don't know. Those South reach for Oredo, Ofia, Orion, and Oredo, Ofia, Orion. 3 local governments. You know, 3 local governments. By mistake, now I need to go. Obasanjo and the wife, let me go spend a year and some more. Who be there? When they bring, who there? But we want to bring this one. Where? We are close to 60%. The way I in 90%, 60%. Not to go by mama. A minister are here in Clemagua. Mama me don't buy those sounds. Baba go Abuja go negotiate for two ministers. They give us they give one for Binima where they Abuja. We don't even know whether it will get. They give one to Clemagua.
I know he gets the ball back there to Elema, the captain for Panthers. Lost that one to a throwing now to Panthers. Free kick to Panthers. It's 2-2 here. And they're going to have a bench at the end of the game. And Honorable Saro with the ball now to Fatal. Long one to Oti. Free kick. Free kick against one of now to Panthers. Two players have been sent off for some minutes by the central referee. So no nonsense referee. And free kick here by Bodin Bazwai. Bazwai has a long one, but the pass is blocked there by number 24 jersey. Honorable Saro controls to Siwa. And Bazwai controls the chance here to make it 3. And Honorable Saro controls. It has been brought down. And it's going to be a free kick advantage. Panthers. Siri trying to look for Elema. Oti controls to Honorable Bemudia. Bodin Bazwai got the pass now to Oti. The tempo is getting higher. And then Bodin Bazwai into the 18-yard box now looking for what a goal! And what an assist from Bodin Bazwai. And it's 3-2 here against the Friends of Panthers FC.
You miss out.
And it's all over here. It's all over. It's the end of year match. And also to begin the new year, Panthers FC, congratulations. It's ended 3-2 in favor of Panthers. Score to Bermuda. El Sakwe Amadu, President All Stars. Thank you so much.
This is the first edition of our year, Pata FC, you know. And today will be the first year of our club. Today is a special day. We started last year, December. Today is the first year. Although the president is not around, I'll be the vice president. I decided to represent him. We are expecting our deputy governor, although he traveled to Abuja. All our members were all happy. You know, everybody will be happy. I pray next year we will be the best, apart from today. We are all professionals. Those small children, they won't use us shine. Based on our old experience, for the life of our LC International, Bosman Bazwaye, we can't let them know, say, khaki, no, the leather.
We don't try to make we organize these football games for good training, for good health, and to bring those way there above 50s so that they come to play. When they come, they will just have Lucky Guest House. The new club, and everybody they play here, they enjoy them. We get reasons why, because we want to be together as one family. So when you come, we do exercises, we do a lot of things, and we train, we see our family's problems, any problem you are, we always discuss it and see how we solve it, how we will solve them. So I think anybody will get interest, make it come join us. The door they open. Our grand patron is Dr. Chief Lucky Igbenedion, ex-Excellency of Edo State, and we get other government officials who still there with us too. Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu, our patron too, is supposed to play today. So let people come out to come and join us. The place now open door, and it's good for your health, for good exercise. We train here every Thursday. If you want to come, you can get in touch with us. The match now waiting, I know one start them because now me they organize them, put them into fitness and everything, and I'm the director here. So I don't want to be the president, I don't want to be the vice president. We have vice president, we have president. So I try to do the thing because of my profession. The match we win today and make everybody have fun, make we enjoy them. As we enjoy them, if you see now from my left side, we enjoy them, our children. Some of our children when they're small and their wives come, make we eat together as one family. So that every day we're going to say we meet each other. If any of our members get problem, we go wrong, go solve that problem. Whether I did there or not did there. But for the match today, we win 3-2 to show say we get experience past the other young boys.
After the hustle and bustle of every day, every week, we come here once a week to train, to play football. You know, as they play football, we don't enhance our social life. We make friends within ourselves here. They do things together. If we get function, we do them together. If we want to play ball, we play together. You know, when you exercise yourself here like that, your body, your mind will be refreshed, because now way to ease tension for everyday hustling. So you see the people here, so the caliber of people, we get both old and young, people like us now, they come here to keep fit. Why some of them they play to want to go to the next level of their football career. So we blend all of them together. At the end of the day, now you see for here. So now I make all of us, they come here on Thursdays of every week, they come play. So for the past 1 year, all of us did together, we play as family. If we get anything we want to do, nobody didn't miss anyone, all of us will gather. We'll leave football, we'll go there, go support our own. Any of them, they do marriage now, we'll go there, we'll go support them. Part of the things we do together, the bond, that family union, where we carry come from house, from our various families, we bring them come here, come use them and bond together. You see the way they laugh just now, they play with each other. So now that's what they do them every day. So for the past 1 year, though we had our own challenge, we get our own challenge, but at the end of the day, we are happy that we are able to achieve what we have achieved as a team, which we don't get as a team for the past 1 year. It's been so interesting. There's nobody who they come here. Would they get top government functionaries here? Would they get normal people here? Every people from every spell of their various endeavors, they come here, would they bond together. So at the end of the day, would they live here, they're happy. Because out there, tension day, wetin pikin go chop, wetin mama go chop, wetin society go want from you. When you do those ones finish, you need to refresh yourself, exercise. Now here, now we can't do them our own. Though we still go our various gyms where we go exercise, but this one might be the best way we say we fit exercise ourselves. See me they run just now. You know what you saying? You see that one kind of young man they run. But young, I'm a youth.